Hey, and if you're a travelling family and looking for an affordable suitcase set, then keep watching because I am going to open up the Tavoxda suitcase set. I've got it out of the box, but I haven't opened this suitcase, and I know that we've got a suitcase set inside. Hi, I'm Sarah, this is Mini Travellers, and we're here to help families travel better for less. And today we're going to look at this Tavoxda suitcase set. Before I go on to open these, I want to tell you the theory behind me taking this set, because this is an affordable suitcase set. It's £99, and at the moment it's on offer for £85.99. I'm going to pop the link below, and it is a bargain. And I think when you look at it, I think there's 3 suitcases, a bag and a toiletries bag in here, but as I say, I've not opened it. That's what I've seen from my correspondence. But the reason I accepted this is because the year before last I invested in 2 really good suitcases, and when I say really good, they were £180 each, so they weren't cheap. They were very much like this actually. They did look quite similar to this, but they were a silver grey, and I was really pleased with them. Thought about it for a long time. You know what it's like when you travel, luggage gets bashed about. So I thought, I'm going to invest. I'm going to get a suitcase set that guarantees it's not going to get damaged. So we did. Neither of those suitcases are now usable. So that's £360 down the pan. And the reason is because between going on and off of aeroplanes and on and off of cruise ships, they've been cracked at the top, the wheels have been knocked off, and they're just not usable. One of them has an extending zip, and the zip bust on holiday. I mean, maybe that was my fault, but when I went back and did a bit of correspondence and said, you know, these have got a guarantee, it was very much, well, it has, but if it gets damaged by an airline or by the cruise line, then that's not our responsibility. And I guess I get their point, but at the same time, what is the point of the guarantee? So yeah, they were not cheap suitcases and they didn't last. So we're going on a California road trip soon and we needed new suitcases. This has come at exactly the right time. And one thing I know this time is that I'm going to go off style and not off promises of being more expensive, so therefore more durable. Because what I've realised is more expensive is not more endurable. So these cases are on offer at the moment, £85.99, but they're £99 on the website. For me, a great value, and do what they say on the tin, the suitcases. They look good, they're stylish. The first thing about the cases is they've got the TSA locks on the side so that you can set your code. I haven't set the code yet because I haven't opened it. I wanted to open it up and show you the full set. So what I'm going to do is we're going to lower the camera down in a minute and show you. But before I do, I'm just going to look and show you the workings of the case. And by the workings, I mean handle. So it's got a slidey up and down handle, which is really useful and dead easy to use. And the wheels are swivel. So that's the first thing about them. We're going to open them and have a look inside and let's see what they're like. And here we are. So we're going to open the first case. Let's get this out. So this is our first large case. So it's lined all the way through. You've got a pocket that goes across and zips. And I really like that actually, because my super expensive set didn't zip. It had an elastic that you put onto a thing. So that's really good that you can separate it off. And actually, I love that for dirty washing. Plus, inside, you've also got another zip. So straight away, that's a win for me. And then you've got your other side, which has got a clasp attachment so that you've got 2 sides, one that zips up. I love the fact that it zips up. I don't think I've ever had a suitcase set that does that. All of mine have worked with a clip, which for dirty washing, that is brilliant. I mean, we always have a dirty washing bag, but also you've got that. So that's the first size. We're going to have a look at the second size. So here is our second case. We're going to take all the protective wrapper off. So you've got like a, I don't know what you'd call that, but it's like a protective shell. All the accents are in brown, and it is a really, really nice set. So this is the medium case. We are going away. We've got a family holiday soon. It's to celebrate our son's 21st. So all of these will be going with us because we're going to need all the room we can get for a California road trip. I'm a big case kind of girl. I will always take a big case. So this is a great case so that you've got that medium. For me, this is a weekend break case. For my sons, that's probably going to be a week's holiday, but you've got that next size case down. And we're going to open that again. And here we are with the next size down. So it's like a It is a cabin size, I think. So the first suitcase, I've just got the sizes up because I think it's important to have the exact sizes. I'll put the link to the website below so that you've got the sizes. So the first case is a 20-inch cabin suitcase, 57 by 36 by 22. So you've got those measurements so that you can check if you can take them on the aeroplane. I don't think the wheels do come off on these ones. They do have some that the wheels come off, which is brilliant. But that is for me a nice size of a weekend break, and a UK weekend break is brilliant if I was going away overnight. 2 nights, I'm going medium. I want the room. I don't travel light, and I'm not going to try. So then inside this one, again, this has got the zip section in, and I just can't tell you how much I love that. I really hate the fact that when you clip it all together and then stuff falls out, and the fact that you can put all the small bits in there and maybe shoes, sandals, and zip it up, for me is brilliant. But inside of that, we've got some more bags. So again, this has got your elastic clips so that you can hold everything together, and they all have the 360 degrees silent wheels. You've not only got your 3 suitcases, you've also got these bags. So you've got a toiletries bag, which has got a bit of a tab on. That's actually quite handy, especially if you're on a cruise ship or in a hotel with limited space that you can hang it on the door. But that is a handy toiletries bag to take away. And then this, which is a travel hold-all. So when I saw this online, I thought, yeah, that'll be okay. But actually it's great. It's got a pocket that doesn't zip up. It's got a back zip pocket. That zip pocket is also goes over your suitcase handle, and then inside you've got loads of space, and you've got a zip up pocket in there, which is waterproof, so that if anything spills in your bag, this bit in here is waterproof, which is brilliant, because if you have got a bit of duty free in there and it leaks, it's okay. But I'm going to show you this on the suitcase. But what I wasn't expecting, I thought, oh, it's got a bag with, I probably won't use it. I absolutely will. This has always been a bit of a issue for me at the airport because my laptop's heavy and I take it everywhere. So I'm trying to work, I've got my laptop in, I've got my camera in my bag. So I'm trying to hold this, or I'm holding it on my suitcase, I'm trying to wheel my suitcase. This is flopping about. But this is brilliant because when you pop this pocket over here, it's on. You're not worrying about it falling off. And I think that is just such a brilliant thing for a bag that I didn't think I'd probably use. I knew that I'd use a suitcase. I didn't think I'd use these. But actually, because this has got a loop on it, and because that has got the back loop, I'm definitely going to use them. So I'm going to pop that back on there. It's got a little zip in there so that you can put stuff that you need to get to quickly. You can just wheel your suitcase round, and you've got your zip in there. And there is our full set of suitcases. So we've got 3 sizes, easy to use handles, 360 degree wheels, which they're so easy to move. We've got the bag and we've got the toiletries bag. So this is a really great set. They are $85.99 at the moment at the time of me videoing this. So I will pop the link to that below, but they're usually $99.99. This set also comes in a gorgeous blue colour, and then they've got lots of different sets. They've got some beige sets, they've got sets that have got backpacks instead of the bags, which at the time I thought, oh, I wish I had the backpack. I'm glad I haven't, I love the bag. They also sell individual cabin bags, and on the Tavoxda website you can search by airline. So from $35.99 you can get yourself a nice little case, and like I said, $85.99. I spent £360 on 2 cases that 2 years later aren't usable. One's in the bin and one's upstairs in the loft being used as storage because it's cracked and the wheels broke. And yes, it is only a suitcase, and maybe I do need to get out more, but the little things like the zips, the wheels and being lightweight, they're winners for me. And this bag, I didn't really give it a second thought, but now it's fit on my suitcase, I'm going to save my shoulders. That is definitely a winner for me. And these cases will be coming along for the trip. So we will see you soon, and happy travels.